Good day, little explorers. Today we're going on an adventure to Taronga Zoo in Sydney, Australia. It's a beautiful zoo with lots of amazing animals. We'll see all sorts of incredible Australian animals. Are you ready? Let's go! First, let's visit the kangaroos. Kangaroos are really good at hopping. They have big feet and strong tails to help them jump really far. Next, we'll see the cuddly koalas. Koalas are super sleepy. They spend most of their time sleeping in eucalyptus trees. We'll also meet emus, which are big birds that can't fly, and the platypus, which is a very special animal that lays eggs even though it's a mammal. Kangaroos live in grassy fields and woodlands. They like to eat grass and leaves. Koalas live in eucalyptus forests. They only eat eucalyptus leaves. Emus live in open grasslands and forests. They eat plants, seeds, and insects. Platypuses live in rivers and streams. They eat small water creatures. Today's question is, what's a wombat? Let's ask a zookeeper. A wombat is like a small bear that lives underground, says the zookeeper. They dig burrows with their strong claws and teeth. Wombats are nocturnal, which means they come out at night to eat grass and roots. That's all for today's lesson, little explorers. Thanks for joining me. Come back soon for more fun animal adventures around the world.